and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is safe and well and is ready for today's video. So in this video I will be unboxing the Look Fantastic beauty box for August, and this is a special edition and it is in collaboration with Rosie Connolly. So let's dive straight in. Okay, so those of you who don't know, Look Fantastic does a monthly beauty box, and I will, instead of waffling on, leave all the details down below for you to have a look. So let's get started. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the color of this box? It's like a beigey lilac, because I tried to say lilac with my sister and she was like, it's beige, so let's just go for a nude lilac. Okay, either way, it's a beautiful color. Got my nails to match with it. So here's a closer look of the box, and inside we have, as usual, and I'm gonna get this the right way around. Yes, beauty comes from within. When you feel good, it makes you look good on the outside too. And I think that is an amazing quote. So I will try. Okay, I don't have anything to prop it against, so it's probably gonna fall. So okay, so I finally managed to prop up the box with my sister's help, obviously. So inside we don't have the magazine beauty edit, but instead we've got a little card. So it says, to our lovely beauty box subscribers, we hope you love this month's beauty box in collaboration with influencer Rosie Connolly. In order to bring you the best magazine possible this August, filled with lots of content from Rosie herself, we made the decision to make the magazine digital only. To read it, simply scan the QR code below with your phone camera and enjoy. Love, the beauty box team. So in my personal opinion, I actually like having the hard copy of the magazine, but hey, I hope it's just for this edition and we get the magazines in our future boxes. So what I will do is, because I can't show you, I'll do a screen recording and insert it into the video so you can have a look. So then I'll be able to show you what the sneak peek is and all the amazing details that you need to know. So yeah, and give you a quick sneak peek of what is inside. So this is what we've got, and let's have a closer look. Okay, so in no particular order, let's pull out number one. So we have this. Have the Living Proof Dry Shampoo. So this weightless silicone free formula provides an added boost to your hair between washes whilst improving the appearance and freshens up your locks from root to tip. This all-in-one hairspray is ideal for all hair colors and harnesses the brand's triple action cleaning technology to absorb oil, sweat and odor. Okay, so my sister is recording this video, right? So she's just told me that, sis, your eyes look really nice, you know. Not your makeup, just your eye color. This is her, you know, this is what she does to me. But anyway, moving on. The second product that we've got is this. The Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion. It's a hydrating body lotion infused with superfoods, kale and turmeric to moisturize skin and revive the senses. Its formula protects skin from premature aging, all whilst smoothing and deeply nourishing. Number three, we have this. Product that we've got is the Percy Reed Stronghold Hairspray. So this is an essential for every women's beauty drawer. The humidity resistant Percy and Reed Hold It Right, their Stronghold hairspray, is the complete tool for a volumizing hairstyle that lasts all day and night. Free from chemical scents, and the hairspray provides added lift to any style whilst discouraging frizz and flyaways. Now, I'm gonna have a little bit of a moan, okay? So those of you who have had the Look Fantastic beauty boxes may remember we had a similar hairspray from Percy Reed. Even though this is the strong hold, the last one, if I remember correctly, was session hold. So kind of a similarity, repetitive a bit, I think. Number 4, we have this. Okay, the Illuminating Blush Glow 2 from, I think it's called Ciaté London, and it's a long wear skin brightening blush. So this is for a natural flush of colour and an enviable glow with its marble illuminating blusher. So with a lightweight finish, it's ideal for any no makeup looks whilst being buildable for something more full coverage. So what I'm going to do here is just take a little bit on my fingertips and just smear it on there. Can't really see it. So hopefully I can get it to focus. There we are. So it's like a nude on my skin colour. And that is what it looks like. So we have 2 more products left, and second to last, we've got this. Hopefully you can see that. The 4th product that we've got is the AHC Natural Essential Mask. So this is a face mask formulated by the experts inside Seoul's renowned spas, made from naturally derived ingredients to promote hydration and healthy glow. This mask locks in moisture without leaving your skin feeling greasy or sticky. And then the last product that we have is this. We've got the Glov Mask Remover. It's a polyester fiber cloth specially designed to quickly and effectively remove product residue from the skin's surface. Its fibers don't absorb any product, making the cloth easy to clean after use. And it isn't rough on the skin, so doesn't cause any unnecessary irritation. So everyone, that brings us to the end of the box. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. In my opinion, I actually did like the box. However, even though I was moaning about the hairspray, you can't really go wrong with another hairspray, can you? But for me, it is kind of repetitive, but it's still gonna come in use. My favorite products from this box is definitely the mask remover by Glov, the living proof dry shampoo, and I said that like there was going to be a 3rd product, but those are definitely my top 2 products. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the box. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this month's box. My favorite top 2 would definitely have to be the Glov mask removal and the living proof dry shampoo. The rest are nice, but those are definitely my top 2. So if you have loved this video, don't forget to share the love and click the thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. I do have a few different videos coming to you very soon, which I'm excited to share, and I hope you will enjoy it. And share the love as always. Thank you for your love and support, and I will see you again in my next video. So stay safe, stay positive, and see you in the next video. So bye.